Hey, what's up, people? I'm just doing a video here on my E-450 v10 6.8 liter RV. Getting the right hand passenger valve cover gasket. I was reading online, there's not much info. People are saying lift the whole body and just all kinds of stuff. So what I did is just remove the two motor mounts. And actually you don't have to remove the whole motor mount. There's just covers there, I'll show you in a bit. But I was just getting the famous, how'd that go on there? So that splash guard there is supposed to go, you know, there and hold on by glue. And as you can see, the glue, epoxy, or whatever they use just came right off. And it's just in there bouncing around. What the funny thing is, I was listening to the noise from the front of the motor and I replaced all the tensioners, the belt. I didn't do it until I took a stethoscope and listened to the valve cover when I removed the doghouse, and sure enough it was inside the valve cover, and that's the issue. So what I first started doing, all the bolts are 8mm. They're really tight, so you might need a little deep socket, a little wrench, and they're on there really tight. The cover moves when you get it to clear it across the cam sprocket there, the camshaft. You're going to need to pull it all the way straight back through the doghouse. What I started doing, all these are 7mm here on this cover, and you feel around and get these little bolts off here. And this slides forward just enough to get some room, but I wasn't able to get enough room to get the cover out. It was still hitting the plastic nub there that's there on the firewall on the side. So I ended up taking the passenger motor mount out, but you don't need to remove the whole mount, just this bracket, and it's 18mm bolts. Oh, first off, real quick, I just used some wood and a jack right under the trans. And it's really hard to jack. It takes one person strong with 2 arms to be able to jack that up. Just an FYI. Your bracket's there. You can see the mount is still there. I removed this passenger side. There's the bracket. I removed the passenger side, dropped the motor down, and also you want to be real careful when you lower this down that you don't let your oil pan touch that cross member. And when I let it down, I just left enough room there where you can put a screwdriver under it and have enough clearance that way. Like, that's how close I got it. It still wouldn't come out. So what we did is we went to the driver's side and remove that bracket also, and I have one person with a big crowbar. We use this crowbar here. We just went in between the frame and the exhaust. I know it's not probably, you know, shouldn't be probably prying on the exhaust, but I'm just desperate to get this cover off. So one person was holding the crowbar, putting tension on, and I was just jiggling the cover around left to right, up and down, and finally it came out. It was still tight getting out, but the motor did move over enough and away far enough from the firewall to clear. That was the only way I could get it out. I was reading, take the whole cab off, take the intake off, all kinds of stuff. There's nothing real clear, but that's the way I was able to do it. Let's see. Yeah, when I was watching the, and also while you're jacking up, you want to kind of check to make sure on the top too you have enough clearance that you're not starting to smash anything. Also, you want to check your fan blade on the shroud. I don't even take the shroud off. and I was able to get that out without damaging anything. But I just wanted to share that. I just so pissed off that Ford did this. The RV only has 16,000 miles. I know it's older, but just for the glue to come off like that and have this thing rattling around, beyond me. That's it. I just wanted to make this video just to help somebody out because, man, I could not find anything on these. All right, well, have a great day, and thanks for watching.